Hey you guys, Jeff here at Beach Cities PDR, and now we have a 32 Ford. This thing is absolutely awesome. Really nice car. Spent a lot of money on the paint and a lot of money on the car in general. But anyway, we have a little fender bender. You can't really see it too good. It's very, very shallow, but it is there. Let's take a closer look at it. And here it is. Somebody had actually backed into ran into the fender right about here. It's extremely light, extremely difficult to see. You can kind of see a scuffing in the paint, but there is, believe it or not, a small little dent, but it's almost impossible to see. It's very difficult. There's no clear coat, and this is like a brownish clay color paint. And also we have, from that impact, we have a raised fender lip right here. So we got to basically flatten that out. It's supposed to be nice and straight, so that's what we're gonna fix right here. Anyway, that's what we got. That's our challenge.
Interesting, when you pulled.
That's why I recorded. I want to pull out.
There's like very little movement.
Yeah.
That's the straightest I've ever seen.
Yeah, let's leave it just like that. Cool. Perfect. Okay, so now that we have the fender straight, now we are going to remove this bracket that holds the fender together, because this bracket is actually bent a little bit, so we're going to take it off. You can see some movement on that bolt. So we'll take this bracket off and try to straighten that out, and we should be lined up and ready to go. All right, so we got this 32 done. Got the fender pulled out. Got it all nice and straight again. Pretty much came out perfect. Got a bolt back in for the bracket, and we are good to go.